now I know what it's about.
Your memories are precious.
I know how they feel in the movies.
From your first day at home to your first day of
Now
school.
this time I've been out here running
And as you continue to make new
it's
memories,
led me right into your arms.
you need a safe place to store the old ones.
And if there's somewhere that you go,
Some place that's easy to add to and always available.
you'll always know where you can find
A
me.
place they'll be secure, protected, and easily accessible to those you love.
And you miss home,
Introducing ElephantDrive,
you'll always have somewhere to go.
the platform that protects your cherished memories from day 1 to day 10,000 and beyond. ElephantDrive.
You'll always have somewhere to go.
Protect your cherished memories.